Hey guys, it's Colby here from GWorks. Today we have a brand new 2023 D-Max. This car has been kitted out. The roof racks, we've got a brand new bull bar, got a brand new UHF, got brand new side steps, the lights, and obviously the best tray and canopy on the market, our GWorks 1700 tray and our 1500 canopy. On the rear, it's got a dual jerry can holder and one spare tyre carrier. On the front here, we've got our headboard on the actual tray itself with your integrated fuel filler. And on the other side, it's got an integrated water filler. It's mirrored on both sides, so whatever your fuel's naturally on will be your fuel side on the actual headboard itself. Behind here, we have the switch for the water pump. Over here, I've just turned that switch on already. We have our bayonet fitting that goes into the flush mount water tap. I'll show you what that looks like. On, off, you can hear that tap going. Nice and easy. No one can steal your water when you're out and about. Looks clean. Flush mount water tap. Obviously right here we have our under tray toolbox with plenty of room. One of the biggest openings on the market, water and dust tight. Close that one up. We've got our adjustable mudguards here. You can see on the adjustable mudguard itself, it's actually been adjusted out for the big offset on these rims and tyres. So 40 to 50 mil adjustment, our front infill panel, and then our canopy. On the top of our canopy here, the 1500 canopy is our most popular size. We find that it's got just enough room for everything that you need to put inside when you're going out touring Australia or just for work. It gives you that nice little lip on the end here as well, which actually looks really nice and really clean, but it doesn't have too much weight overhanging on your rear. So if you're worried about how much weight you're going to be carrying, it's the perfect solution for that. You can still put a large rooftop tent on the top and then load the inside. You'll see this one here is clean out. There's nothing inside of it. They're probably going to fit this out themselves and that's fine. That's the whole reason we sell these canopies, because they are modular. You can fit our internals in there, but you can fit anybody else's internals in there as well. We've built and designed them to be like that. You'll see when I pull the canopy down with 2 fingers, there's no bends in the door because of the brace plates we've done it inside. That's because we've engineered it to be like that. Our removable door lock covers do a great job of protecting your locks. So all of our locks as well are central locking capable. You'll notice here guys, we actually put our seals on the door itself. The reason we do that, most of the time, you're pulling things in and out of your canopy. So the obvious choice is to put it on the door. It means you're going to get more longevity out of the seals itself. And it creates a great seal. Just like on your car doors, you'll notice the seal's actually around the door here. Our water and dust tight seal, we back it. Guys, we had BT living. He actually went and travelled Australia. He got water up to here on his car, which means he got up to here on the canopy. Water flooded through his car. Nothing got inside of his tray and canopy. Nothing at all. So that's how well we've sealed our canopies up. We want to make sure that the canopies are nice and watertight and dust tight, because if you're lapping around Australia and you flood your car, you've got any electrics in there, you've got all your tools, or you've got all your cookware, whatever you might have inside. We want to make sure that that stays nice and clean. Coming around the back here guys, we have our twin jerry holder, we have our spare tyre carrier. The tyre carrier can hold up to a 37-inch tyre. We've got our tunnel jaw here, our tail light surrounds, and the factory sensors input into the tail light surrounds. We've also got underneath here our relocated camera. That means that everything's going to work from factory. It means that if you come in with sensors, ADAS, reverse camera, we can relocate the whole thing so everything works as factory, guys. Coming around to the other side, you'll see our integrated water filler point here and the adjustable gas strap mount. So if you've got an awning and you want it to come down this high, you can adjust it on both sides. There's 14 points of total adjustment. That means that you can adjust it higher or lower if you need, if you're a taller bloke like I am, a shorter person, or again, if you want to put an awning over here. That's it for this tray and canopy, guys. If you want to purchase a tray and canopy from GWorks, then contact us on 1300 503 719 or head to our website www.gwrks.com.au. Fill out the contact form. Our sales team will be in touch within 24 to 48 hours. You might even speak to me. I'll see you soon.